If you've been following Solen Residences for quite some time, then you're going to love today's update because something exciting has finally happened, and honestly, I think this is one of the biggest site updates you've been waiting for. And for the first time, you'll finally see the connection between Phase 1C and 1D. The new access gate is now in place, making it much easier to appreciate how this community is coming together. And also, Greenfield officially extended Solen Residences, added another 5 hectares to this wellness-centered community. So if you've been thinking about investing in Solen or building your future home here, this is definitely an update you don't want to miss. So let's check it out. So here at Solen Residences, for the newest launch project for the Phase 1C and 1D, our lot sizes that we're offering is from 150 square meter up to 199 square meter. But now, since the Phase 1 is limited lots na lang yung ino-offer natin, ang advantage dito, we have another phase which is the Phase 1D, which is makakapili pa kayo ng mga other lots na magpipit sa preference natin. And of course, one of the advantage then, once you buy the property direct to the developer, we offer the flexible payment terms and the reservation is same pa rin. We can reserve this for only 50,000 and depende naman sa payment terms na pipiliin natin. And as we mentioned on our previous vlogs, Solen Residences is still offer flexible terms, which is meron tayong no spot payment. So for the 150 square meter, the estimated monthly down payment natin is nag-average tayo ng 40,000 to 39,000 monthly. So that is only the down payment. So another payment terms naman natin is we have the minimal spot payment and the another 10% for that is payable naman up to 17 months. So depende. So depende sa mapipili natin kung saan mas nyo gusto, kung mas mapalight ba or hindi kayo nagmamadali. So yun naman yung maganda na lagi namin sinasabi kapag under developer tayo bibili ng property. So mapapansin nyo rin on our vlogs, marami rin talaga kami pinipreacher na below developer's price, but the one thing difference dito is mababa siya. But of course, hindi siya kagaya ng developer na yung down payment natin is 10%, 20%. So dito kasi iba na yung mode of payment natin. Kasi nga, ito is hindi na siya kay Greenfield natin bibilhin. So sila yung mga unang bumili ng lote or na unang nag-invest dito sa Greenfield City. But hindi pa naman huli ang lahat. That's why we're still offering the Phase 1C and Phase 1D, which is makakapili pa rin kayo ng lote. So hindi na nga lang siya ganun kababa compare sa mga unang nag-invest dito sa Solen Residences. And of course, one of the advantages then here at Solen, meron tayong mga nadagdag na model houses na pwede natin pagpilian once na magbibuild na kayo ng property. If kung gusto nyo is magpapatayo na ng bahay, so ang perfect option sa atin dito is which is the Phase 1C. So mapapansin nyo rin sa ating mapa or once you inquire to us, the latest map inventory natin here at Solen, Phase 1C is almost pa-sold out na. So, hindi na kayo makakapili ng mga best spot kasi most of the corner lots, second to the corner lot, facing east. So, ito yung mga unang nauubos. So, madalas ang natitira na lang natin ditong options is yung mga perimeter. But, one thing, the advantage naman here at Phase 1C, yung perimeter natin for the Phase 1C, ang katalikuran nyo rin lang is si Phase 1D. So, ang starting price natin diyan is nag-average na tayo ng 7.6 million. So, same computation for the Phase 1D. So for the Phase 1D naman, we have cluster by cluster yung ino-offer natin. Pero if you prefer the corner lot, wala na rin tayong ma-offer. If you want, pwede tayong mag-abang or pwede kayong mag-message sa amin para i-line up kayo kung ang preferred nyo is bigger lot for the Phase 1D. So, dito meron kaming mga latest drone or latest development for the Phase 1D. So, makikita nyo rin yung interconnection natin if you enter directly here at the main entrance, papunta sa Phase 1C, actually, meron na tayong gate. So, na-mention ko rin yan kanina. And if you're going naman, kung dadaan naman kayo from Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road, from before na ginagawa siya, makikita nyo ongoing development. Now, ang maganda dito is visible na siya and in the future, pwede na rin siyang daanan. So, binisit natin kanina yung development for the Phase 1D. So, pinasok natin yung gate. Mabivisualize yun na agad siya kung saan din yung lote na gusto ninyo. And ang maganda pa rin naman dito kay Phase 1D, nandun yung ating additional amenities. Doon natin siya ilalagay, which is magkakaroon din tayo ng swimming pool. So, magkakaroon tayo dyan ng separate amenities. So, at least, kung doon kayo naka-purchase ng property, hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta pa dito sa pinaka-clubhouse ni Solen. But that is optional. Kung gusto nyo naman dito, kasi vice versa, pwede nyo naman gamitin yung clubhouse dito ni Solen. So, again, for the reference, pag nag-viewing tayo dito, may mga model houses din tayo dito na pinakikita for the 150 and the floor area natin na magiging sample nyo kung magpapagawa kayo ng bahay. So, here at Solen Residences, meron tayong sinusundan na design, which is Asian Tropical. So, ito is nababagay sa klima rin natin dito sa Pilipinas. And mapapansin nyo rin dito pag nag-ikot tayo, yung mga pasad ng property natin or yung mga community natin dito is almost pare-pareho. But ang maganda dito, yung mga latest na nagpapagawa, meron namang na-approve na different design. But that is for approval. So, depende pa rin yan sa bibilhin yung blueprint kay Solen Residences. So, dito rin, kay Solen Residences, meron tayong sinusundan na blueprint, which is kung ano yung lote ninyo, yun din lang yung qualified na pwedeng gawin for that lot. But if kayo ay corner lot, mas maraming option or preference tayo kapag magpapabuild kayo ng bahay. So, that is one of the advantage if ang nakuha nyong property ay corner lot. So, dito, pasad lang naman yung kailangan susundan for approval. But for the interior, once you build the property, once na nagpagawa na kayo, so wala naman ng question dyan si Solen Residences. So, dito, also here at Solen, we are gateless. So, mapapansin nyo rin yan pag nagpunta kayo dito, wala tayong mga fences. Although, may sinusundan din tayo dito ng mga restriction. So, hindi tayo pwedeng sagad both side. So, may mga restriction tayo na yung kabilang side is bawal siyang isagad sa bakod. So, yan naman is although ipapaliwanag namin pag kayo ay nag-tripping or upon turnover din ng ating property pag magpapabuild na rin kayo here at Solen Residences. So, ayan, nakita nyo na yung ating latest update, price computation idea, reference. So, if you want to view or visit here at Solen Residences, message nyo lang kami sa number na nasa screen. So, ang maganda dito, pag nag-tripping tayo, makikita nyo na kung ano ba yung gusto nyo na lote or preferred lot ninyo. So, if you prefer din the lot trip, so pwede natin yung i-request upon tripping or upon discussion natin. So, we will discuss all the details once na nag-viewing tayo dito. So, if you're Filipino abroad, planning to retire at gusto nyo nang mag-build ng house nyo dito, Solen Residences Phase 1C is the perfect option or reference for us. So, once again, this is Christina Barro from Prestige Properties. If you're interested, message me directly at 63-917-513-2484. So, that's my Viber, WhatsApp, and Line message. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon on my next one. Bye!